Okay, thank you guys for watching my live stream today, and thank you very much for keep on supporting. So in today's video, I am doing the live stream for a pre-analysis for the for the upcoming week, the week 3 of the August 2022. So what can we see from the perspective of this? The last week trade, which yesterday, from yesterday trade. And yesterday I did make an analysis of how actually the gold and the DXY, the dollar index, actually move, and also the impact of the news. So I am going to head back to the previous analysis first. So yesterday when I made a live stream, I did indicate that we have a high impact news on yesterday in yesterday night, and it was a what we call Saturday August 10/12. Okay, should have been Friday August 12. So Friday August 12 at 9 p.m. local time, my local time, Cambodian time, we have a prelim UOM consumer sentiment. So the forecast, the previous data was indicated of a 51.5, and the forecast is 52.5. And last time, yesterday when I made an analysis, I said if the price the same as forecast, then it will be a good for dollar, because it is actually when as expected. Also, the number, I'm sorry, because the number compared to the previous data was also bigger. So it is, if it come out the same as forecast or way better than forecast, then it will be good for currency. But if it is below the forecast and below the previous data, then it would be a very bad for currency, for dollar. So yesterday night when the data come out, it is 55.1, which is way better than expected. As the forecast, the expectation is only 52.5, but when it come out, it is 55.1. So it is way better than the expected, which is way too good for a dollar. So as a result, to our dollar analysis, dollar index, we actually said that for yesterday move, when we did the analyze about yesterday, the dollar index actually moved in this position. So we are watching at a 1 hour time frame. So what is the analysis? What was the analysis yesterday? We made an analysis and we said that dollar index actually come into the support trend line, and the first they touch multiple time. I think this is should be a 3D touch. I think let's go to 4 hour chart. Okay, and now we can see a very clear one. So this is a multiple time touch. We can see this area first of a start, okay, and then we had this area second of a touch, the third area, which is right here, which could be confirmed as a 3D, a 3 touch. So 1, 2, and 3, touch it 3 times before they bounce back up. So because it is a 3D, it's a fly, it's a bull run. So let's get back into 15-minute time frame. I think my computer got something wrong and keep on making some big noise. So okay, here we go. I think I have no multiple circle. So here we have the support trend line down here. They didn't come to the support trend line, but they almost touched the support trend line and then actually form up a double bottom. First touch right here, which is also a touch on a resistance. The support. This is the support area. They touch one, fly back, go to the resistance area that we have noted right here, and drop from the resistance area to the same support area, create another bottom, which is now becoming a double bottom on a support trend line, which is probably a very strong one, and then bounce back up. So what is the analysis we made? We made an analysis based on the news, based on the chart, and we make a prediction that if they're not breaking this support resistance, support trend line, then it will bounce back to the break the resistance area, drop back to the resistance area, and then fly to the second resistance area. So now we actually succeed the first step, that dollar actually fly from here, break the resistance, retouch the resistance, which is now become a support, and then bounce from the same support or resistance, the previous resistance, and then headed to the second one. So in here we can see that we also had another trend line right here. This could be a resistance trend line. If we put this like that, so if they bounce from this area, they could actually move to the second resistance area and then actually touch the same resistance trend line right here. So if they break this one, which will indicate that they will also break the second resistance area, then they will come and retest. So this is the scenario. If they keep on going up right here, touching the trend line, if they break, they're gonna go right like this, and then retest, and then keep on going up right here until, so this could be another support, resistance, break right here, retest this one. So here we had the resistance area right here, a smaller one, which is probably very easy to break, and then this one. So they will touch multiple times, break multiple times like that if they keep on going up. And if they fail to break, this is probably the most crucial area that they gonna decide, and also this one as well.